One of the more effective backlinking strategies is creating unique blog posts with your content and distributing it across multiple blogs. Now, in this video, we're going to go over the service that we offer at SEM Juice, which is creating unique blog posts with your anchor text and distributing it across the Linkvana network. So, what exactly is Linkvana? Basically, it's a large blog network of over 1,000 different blogs that they manage and have the ability to publish out to. These are unique domains. They're not hosted bloggers, Blogspot, or hosted WordPress. These are unique domains all on blog format. Now, a couple of key things to know is these are all one-way and permanent backlinks. So most SEO agencies and experts would agree that one-way backlinks are by far the best. That's a link from a third-party website directly to yours. These aren't reciprocal links or FFAs or link exchanges. Secondly, these are permanent backlinks. If you've done any forum spamming or any type of black hat mass submissions, you'll know that sometimes those get picked up and indexed by the search engine spiders, but after a while they disappear, Moderators drop them, and those aren't permanent backlinks, so over time you lose the value of those links. So these are just the opposite. These will stick permanently. Now, in order to have and run an effective blog network, Linkvana uses a huge amount of Class C IPs across each of their blogs. Basically, what that means is their blogs are all, in the eyes of the search engines, they all are under a different IP, different hosting companies, different servers. So it minimizes that footprint of the network ever really being exposed and losing the value of the link service. Now, all the blogs are aged. There are no new blogs. I think they state that they're at least a year old, and they have healthy PR page ranks. So this site states that it's PR 2 to 5. We've run across a couple 4s and 5s, but there are some PR 0s and PR 1s. Primarily, we've noticed it's mainly 2s to 4s. Now, PR is important, but it's not the most important thing. It's one of the many things that are important for the benefits of backlinking. One of the key things, though, is that because this is a blog network, these are aged blogs, is they get indexed extremely quickly. So once you publish your 50 or 100 or even more of your unique blog posts, they get picked up quickly, your anchor text gets picked up, and you get these registered links back to your website. Also, it's what we call a slow drip link building methodology. So instead of doing a one-time mass spam, we can control the cadence at which blogs your blog posts are submitted out across the network. It's anything from as much as several posts a day to one a day or one every other day. You can even randomize it, so there's one post, the next post is a couple of days later, the next post is the next day. So that way it's as organic and natural as possible. That way you minimize, again, that spammy footprint that you might have, especially if you're a brand new website. So what are we going to do for you at SEM Juice? Well, the first thing is to create your content. If you're choosing 50 or 100 blogs, or again, if you want more, our team will create relevant blog posts around your keyword using your anchor text. Each of the posts are at least 100 words or more, and again, they all have one link back to your website using your anchor text, and we can vary a couple of the anchor text if you prefer. Next is, once we have all of our content, we will manually import and create a project within Linkvana under our account. We'll set up your domain, your links, your content, the category that you're in, and we'll also set up that publishing cadence or periodicity, how quickly you want your post done. So then this pretty much is a graphical example. If this is your website and we chose a daily publishing cadence, what would happen on day 1? Your content would be published out to this blog, day 2 to the second blog, day 3 to the third blog, and so on and so on and so on. So after we have that set up, what we'll do is we'll actually create a professional report for you showing screenshots that we've actually indeed did create your account within Linkvana. We will import a list of all of the page titles and the dates that we've created everything. And then to follow up when we're done with the project, we'll provide an updated report that shows you what dates your posts were actually published. Now, this is of course going to vary if you decide to do several in a day or one in a day or every other day. But at the end of your project, we'll run another report just so you have on file when your report or when your blog post went out. Now, how much does it cost? Well, if you're going to go out to Linkvana directly, to start off, they have a monthly fee of $147 a month. Now, for some folks, that might sound like a lot. For other professionals, that's actually a very good value for the service that you get. But it can be, they stated they are expensive. So at a minimum, it's going to cost you $147 a month just to be part of the service. Next, you have to have the content. Now, you can write it yourself, which it's never free because it costs you time, or you can outsource it yourself. We and a lot of people actually use the outsourcing service within Linkvana, and it's a great value. It's $2 per post, and so in this case, if you were going to do 50 posts at $2 post, it's going to cost you another 100, or for 100 posts, $200. So again, if you were to go to Linkvana Direct for 50 posts, it costs you about $247, or 100 posts, $347. Now, of course, that again sounds like a lot, but we're offering a really great service, and what we're going to do for 50 blog posts, it's only $79, and that's a savings of over $168. If you're going to do 100 blog posts, it's $147. That's less than $1.50 a link, and you'll save over $200 in order to do that. So how do you take the next step? Simple. Just contact us from email or private message, and we'll go ahead and we'll get started today.